The good thing about this car, no matter how much work it needs, is the fact that the body is so straight.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys?
So today we are going to, I guess, finish sanding. Clean the car as best as we can. We don't have water, like I said in the last video.
We're gonna blow it off with air. Then we're gonna use acetone.
We're gonna use acetone. I mean, I don't think it's a big deal.
Yeah.
Whatever. We're only gonna use it on the parts where they're gonna do body work or primer, which is
The whole car.
a lot of the car, not all of it. It's mainly in the jams and the hood and any parts that have any imperfections. So we're gonna make sure we do that, and then hopefully by the end of the video we could possibly have this thing primered, and next video we could come and spray the jams and clean out the interior and then start spraying the inside.
Yeah.
So
that's where we're at. That's where we want to be by the end of this video.
right. So we're just gonna put the camera up. We're gonna get right to work.
So we got as deep as we want to go into sanding the car. He'll go over everything with you now.
All right. So we I don't know if you guys saw, but I was with my pocket knife. I was basically this edge here that we've been talking about since last video. This paint here was like built up, and like I said, we're trying to do the best we can on the edges because this I feel like where the paint will flake the most. And this other paint that was here was terrible. It was I literally hit it with a pocket knife and it was just flaking all over the place. Had to put on the glasses because it was just coming in my face and everything. So if you guys can see here, we chipped the old paint off, and then my brother came and he sanded it with orbital sand, and then I came back because there's some high spots. If you guys can see like this one right here, maybe not, but there's some high spots, so I had to do it with the block. So we did that on both sides. He touched up this door jamb on this side. I think that's all we're gonna do for sanding, right?
Yeah. Before we throw primer down, yeah, this is where we're gonna call it.
We got some materials for paint and body work. So he's gonna with some acetone, he's gonna come and clean the surfaces. For right now, I think when we do all the body work, all the filling that we have to do, there's a little section on the hood, so we're gonna fill these 2 dents. This door here has I think 3 dents.
Yeah, 3. It has this one.
Yeah, this one's huge. I don't know, you guys can see it, but
this is just a high spot. This actually doesn't need any.
okay.
But down here, this is a pretty bad one too. So we're gonna do those 3
And
spots.
there's one over there, it looks like.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. No, there was a drip here.
Or a crease.
Oh yeah, no, we had to sand deeper because of the fact that there was like a crack in the paint. I want to say, but we thought there was gonna be something underneath, but when we got there, there's actually not.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the other door. If we need to do body work on that, and then we're
I
still.
think the other door has like 1 or 2 dents. It's
Okay.
nothing crazy. I mean,
You know,
we're
there's a
just
cool
gonna
thing
clean
that I just found today. This. I mean, I have this car, but I never actually I never pump gas. We're in Jersey. We don't pump our own gas. Perks of living in Jersey, besides the extreme rent or whatever. But this is a metal fuel cap, and it's pretty cool. But these guys, they painted these, they painted every nook and cranny of this car. But why not just tape that off and take this off? So we might just probably some paint thinner, clean this off, probably polish it, make it look cool. I don't know, make it not look
put
blue.
It in your after we remove.
Oh yeah, I have a tumbler, parts tumbler. We could probably put it in there too. So that'll give a nice little finish.
Right.
But
let's get to it. Let's see how far we get. I really want to prime the car as far as we can because I'm eager to see once we throw this paint on, and I'm excited.
Yeah, there may be sanding after we primer.
Yeah.
But
we'll
leave that off for next time. This time our goals are paint. I mean our prime. Fill the gaps.
Body work we need to do.
Scuff the inside of the doors and the hatch.
Yeah, actually, we're definitely not doing the quarter panels today because if anything, the inside of the doors and the hatch have to come first. So.
Yeah, because next video, if painting is gonna be definitely the jams, definitely the inside of the doors, the back of the hatch, and if we have time, the interior. Because the interior is just gonna be like a base coat.
Yeah, we're not
gonna
gonna
clear
clean
coat.
Yeah, we're just gonna clean the interior and just throw a coat in it just so it's not blue on the inside.
But yeah, I guess let's get to it. All right, guys. So we're done for the day. It smells in here bad, and we gotta get out of here ASAP. I can't even speak right, but we gotta get out of here right away.
Let me show you guys what we did. All right, so we threw primer on this side. It was a kind of a trial and error because I want to say we didn't mask anything off. We just wanted to see how it was laying down. It looks good, and the good thing about us laying primer this time is that we could see some of the imperfections in the paint. That need to get done. You can't see it on camera, which sucks, but there's just like really we were using 100 grit to sand off the ugly paint. We also prepped this door. We got to come back and sand this. The primer laid down really nice, I could say, actually, to be honest.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, which honestly, me seeing the primer, it is getting me very excited to see the final product. We prepped the hood. The hood needed a decent amount of work.
Oh wow, it's still wet. Basically, I messed up because, like I said, since we don't have water here, we're using acetone to clean up the car, and I cleaned my mixing board with acetone, and then I quickly just right away put the putty and the hardener on, and then for some reason it wasn't letting it like dry. So it's just like the bottom part of this. You guys saw in the video, it was taking me a while to get that situated. So for some reason, it's still not looking flat here, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna.
No, if you honestly, it's the line is more. Well, we're gonna sand this smooth,
Right.
but this line is looking more towards what we were aiming. Because even the last time it like kind of sunk back in. So once we dry that, we're gonna have to block sand this and make that body line, and do the same up here. But it's coming out good.
Yeah. So sorry. so I'm pretty happy with the progress we made today.
Well, guys,
This is it for today.
and we'll catch you guys next time.
Yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and follow us on Instagram at All Purpose Build.